Hi, it's Narong here. It's weekly English speaking practice time. So I'm gonna talk about something that I still don't know what I want to talk about, but I'll try. Let's talk about my experience of trying to do a street photography that I was trying on the last Sunday, and it successfully failed. Street photography is it's not easy when you are just a beginner of the photography world, and I am a beginner. Even though I do it as a hobby, but I still am a beginner. Which I have to continue to practice, take picture or video or stuff like that I like to do. But in terms of practice doing a real thing about the thing that photographers do, I still can't. So let's get into the story. I would set the plan to, and I started walking from point 1 to point 2 or point A to point B, and while I was walking and looking around, everything, environments, house, home, building, or markets, people, and I couldn't see the beauty of the environment. I couldn't see. I think I don't have the photography eyes yet. That's why I couldn't see some beauty in the environment and atmosphere. So I ended up I took two pictures at most from the pathway that I walked through. But other than that, I didn't take any more picture at all because I couldn't see it. I couldn't see that. I think that was a key factor for the high-level photographer, that they could see the beauty of the atmosphere and environments, the some special angle to look through the camera that I don't have that ability as of now. So I couldn't. So it ended up I walked to at the point B. It's the mall, and I just, because it was the mall, the shopping center. So we already know that there's plenty of gorgeous things to to take a picture. So that's when I get to take photos. But the part that I practicing street photography, I was fail miserably. So, okay. I think my story would make sense to you. Okay, that was my story of I was trying the street photography, which is fail. On the most part. Okay, this is my weekly English speaking practice. Let's end this. We'll see you next time. Bye. Hope it makes sense. Okay, stop.